Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about voice meter in this video. And this voice meter is an app, it's a software, the sound vocal software, right? If you want to make your voice cool, like bass, like a radio studio sound, like kind of. So if you want that kind of voice, use voice meter. There are two types of voice meter and voice meter banana is there. But this voice meter, this right now I'm here, you can see on the screen, this is the simple. All right, you can easily install this app and you can use in your system. All right, so first you go to the Chrome and type voice meter. I'll put the link in the description. Click on the first one. There will be a, you can see here, VV audio voice meter banana. Here I'm not using this voice meter banana. This is the simple one, the first one. Just click here and scroll down. All right, scroll down and you need to install wait, the second one. All right, click on the install. It's only 10 MB. Just install it. So I already installed it. So once you install it, once you download, install it and open the voice meter. All right, voice meter. And once you open, all right, I'll show you how to set up. Okay, you can see the one, right? 1 2 A1 A2, right here. So you can use 1 or 2. Right now I'm using number 2. Okay, you can set up on the 1 as a 1 and 2. It's same. This is same. All right, if you want to set up like input and output, like you can fix. If you have 2-3 mic, you can fix it. You can use 1 2, but right now I'm using single mic. So I'm using the number 2. So first of all, what you need to do is click on the number, this number 2 here. Click here. Okay, and you have to choose your microphone. So to use this voice meter, I will recommend you guys to use not a microphone, a real microphone, like a kind of studio mic, or you can use the headphone mic as well. Not the it will not be good using the laptop mic or earbuds, right? So I will recommend you guys to use the like condensation mic. Okay, the microphone. So I'm using the first one. Choose your microphone. Click here. All right, that's the first one. You choose the input microphone here, and in this row, if you use 1 or 2, all right, this is 1 row and this is 2 row. I'm using the 2 row. So you need to click the B. You need to turn on the B. Okay, you need to click on the B, and do not click on this one, the 3 over here, mono SM. Do not click here. And if you want to hear your own voice, okay, you have to click A. If you click A, you can hear your own voice. All right, just to taste, just turn off. And now I'm going to the output. So you're using number 2, right? You have to go to the A2. If you're using 1, you need to click on the A1. Okay, so I'm using the number 2, so I'll click on the A2. Okay, A2, and you need to choose your speaker. All right, output the 2. So jump to the A2. Okay, this is your output. Click on the output and choose your speaker. Okay, choose your speaker. So I'm going to choose my speaker, WDM speaker, Realtek audio. Right, you just click. Okay, so and you can adjust your voice over here. Okay, I'll just hear my own voice just to here. So if you're you can drag your voice. Hi, hello, 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 check, check, my testing. Hello, check, 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 my testing. Hello, check, check, hello, 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 testing, right? So So I'm going to use here. So you can change your voice as well here, dragging over here. This is color panel. You can go to the your voice can go higher, lower, bass, right? You can drag and you can choose your voice. And apart here, the middle one, if you drag, if you put to the 12.0, right? I'll just click here. If it goes up, if you turn up the bass will be low, all right, with the sound, your speaker sound, and your microphone, your voice, the bass will be lace, all right. If you turn down here, if you go to the 12, there will be a lot of bass while you're playing music, while you're watching movies, or it'll give a lot of bass in your system. And this one is the same as well. You can change according to what you like. Okay, this is the height, medium, bass. This is equalizer, so you can adjust it according to your system. All right. And once you start, after completing this process, okay, once you turn on your computer, first of all, don't forget to open this application. If you forget to open this application, all the YouTube or movies, your computer sound will not come up. It'll be silent. So you're using this voice meter. So first of all, you have to turn on. Don't forget to turn on this voice meter. If you forget to turn on this voice meter, your computer will be silent. Sound will not come out. Any sound, your microphone will stop work, your video, your YouTube, everything, the sound will not come out. So don't forget to turn on this voice meter voice meter app. So I hope you get it, how to install and how to use this. This is simple video. This is simple software you can use in your system. And the second one, voice meter banana, is a bit harder than this. So I will recommend you to use this simple voice meter. All right. So don't forget that use microphone like condensation mic, studio mic type, like a headphone microphone. Okay. And don't use the laptop microphone or earbud. Okay, it will not be good for recording, to produce sound and all. So that's it, guys. And don't touch anything over here. Okay, if you click over here, mix or all this thing, it will give echo sound. It will give you echo sound. And you can click over here, whatever I mark here, just do it. Okay, just do. If you don't know how to set up, whatever I click here, just do it same as you see on the screen. Okay, so that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Do give me a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. If you do have any question, comment below and I'll reply the message for you. Thank you. Bye bye.